Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes fastest way to search Google Chrome bookmarks. Right-click search bar, click Edit Search Engines. Click Add. Type bookmark search under search engine. Type bookmark under keyword. Copy command from description and paste under URL. Click Add. Bookmark search engine is added successfully. Type bookmark in browser search bar. Simply press Tab key. Type the keyword to search. Press Enter key. Simply double-click to open the URL. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.